Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming the problem and who will pay to solve it. This orients every decision. Once you define the core benefit, sketch 3 user personas and prioritize must-have features over nice-to-haves. Do this now so scope doesn't creep. Make sure to set measurable success criteria like engagement or $/user. These early choices reduce wasted work later and let you move into a testable prototype quickly, so you can learn what to build next. You should prototype immediately. Use simple tools to make a clickable or physical mock within 48-72 hours. Once done, run 5-10 focused interviews or tests to watch users perform key tasks and capture reactions. Make sure to measure task success, time on task, and willingness to pay. Those numbers show viability. Iterate the prototype based on real feedback, then retest. This cycle converts assumptions into evidence and guides development priorities. Avoiding long builds, you move from MVP to launch with focused scope. Ship core features, instrument analytics, and prepare simple feedback channels. Once live, gather usage data and short exit interviews to learn why people stay or leave. Use that to prioritize next sprints. Make sure to run 2-week iterations and keep a rollback plan for critical failures. If adoption stalls, troubleshoot by validating assumptions. Revisit personas, retest user flows, and compare metrics to your initial success criteria to decide corrective action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.